Hello, I'm Cryptic. This channel is dedicated to me learning how to become a game developer. I focus especially on the Godot game engine. There will be multiple phases to this channel's lifetime. Each phases will be of an undetermined amount of time and things can change drastically as this is merely my point of view of the future as of right now. Phase 1 would be me learning to grip the Godot game engine to make simple games. I also learn how to edit and make my videos less sucky at that point of time. I still have a long way to go, but hopefully you can get past that. And until I get better and I get a new computer so I can edit faster and better. Phase 2 would be me learning visual design. I plan on focusing on pixel art and related stuff. I know absolutely nothing about visual art in any shape or form, not even color theory. I'm a problem solver, not an artist. So I plan to try and help my fellow non-artists wannabe game dev to get better as I learn. I plan on dedicating this phase to sound design. I am way more of a music guy than a visual guy, so this might actually be a tad bit faster for me to learn. I plan on learning the tools and tricks to design and create, but not limited to, game music, sound effects, and game sound theory, like reward, feedback, and all that good stuff. I guess the next logical step would be to start designing games and share my progress with you. I plan on participating in game jams a lot, because this is one of my dreams actually. If I get enough of a following at this point of time, I will probably live stream most of it and condense all of it to YouTube in a quick and rich format. And I hope I will get better at editing for the time being. If this sounds good to you, on your screen will be the first episode of the series. Be aware that this hasn't aged well and that it gets better and a lot shorter over the next few episodes. I'm still Cryptic. May your code run true.